The Lord makes firm the steps of the one who delights in him. Though he may stumble, he will not fall, for the Lord upholds him with his hands. Psalm 37, verse 23 and 24. I love this verse because it tells me no matter how hard my situation is, or will be, or may be, God will not let me deal with it by myself. Je dis que Dieu, il va pas me laisser passer mes difficultés moi-même. Il va être toujours là. Il va m'aider avec tout. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's just get started. Trusting God. 2019 is all about trusting. Coming through. Coming through. Coming through. You already know what time it is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaful. This is your first time on my page. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Si c'est ton première fois dans ma page, oui, je parle aussi français. Faut pas oublier de cliquer subscribe et on commence the video. So today's video, I bought some things from Zaful. If you follow me on Instagram, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, what you doing with your life, sis? Hein? Tu fais quoi avec ta vie? Hein? Tu es poli comme ça pourquoi? Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave all my social media down below. So I decided to try out Zaful. I've been getting a lot of ads from Zaful on almost every social media that I get on, trying to figure out my life. And Zaful been popping up a lot. J'ai acheté des habits. Actually, I bought some sweaters because I'm a big fan of like hoodies. So I decided to try out Zaful's hoodies. One thing I am trying to improve in my closet is different varieties of clothes, which means I wear boy clothes most of the time. So you know what I got? Boy clothes. So with the hoodie, I'm going to be trying them on, so we'll be like talking at the same time. I know some of you guys don't like the talking, but sis, it's my channel. What you doing with your life? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? We're right here, right? We're right here. So yeah, number one hoodie I bought was this hoodie right here. It's a pretty nice, colorful hoodie. I've been trying to do like a lot of colors in my closet, and I was on the boys site, and the best thing you can do when you're on the website is check out real reviews, and that's what I was doing. And most of the reviews, people will like comment and leave their the pictures underneath on how the outfit, the actual sweater look like. Alors j'ai dit que avant que j'achète les habits, je regarde dans les commentaires ce que les gens, si ils avaient déjà acheté, ils laissent pour dire que si ces habits ici c'est bien ou bien c'est pas bien, est-ce que ça vraiment moins cher ou bien ils ont des anyway. je cherche les commentaires avant que j'achète les habits. And j'ai cherché les commentaires avant que j'achète ces tricots ici. I looked at the commentary reviews before I decided to purchase this. I'm just gonna stop talking. I'm gonna try them on. Je vais partir essayer, okay? Je vais montrer. It's actually not bad. Well, I wore this. Je parle de quoi, hein? Pourquoi tu veux mentir comme ça? Okay, so I wore this hoodie already, so I really like the color of the hoodie. I love I just like how it makes my skin tone look. Cause this, we chocolate. We look like a chocolate with the grapefruit, strawberry on top. A toast spread with some jelly on top. See, this is the grape of the grape jelly, and I'm the toast, the nice golden toast. Anyway, this is how the jacket looks. I like it. It ain't bad. It ain't bad, and it's a medium, so if it's true to size, if you are a medium, and guys, reading the reviews and like everybody else's comments about the sweater, they're like, yeah, it's true to size, and I'm like, okay, they're guy clothes, so what's good with it, you feel me? What's good with it? So yeah, I like it. It's a really nice material. The fabric on this is very thick, so yeah, and I'm gonna be hot. I'm already hot. So next one I purchased was another one of the colorful hoodies. I got this beautiful hoodie right here, and I'm not going to try to pronounce that word, and it's the size of medium. I like the thickness to it. It's the same thickness that this right here comes with, so it's like very warm. I can tell because I live up north, sis. It gets cold. I really like the color that I've chose. Like, these colors are really nice, and I love the different colors. Ça se voit comme ça, c'est vraiment chaud. Hein? Si tu habites dans un pays qui fait froid, ça ici va servir, va chauffer. Parce que j'ai en train de chauffer dedans. Je chauffe. I am heating up underneath this hoodie. And I really like how well this hoodie looks. Like, it's very thick. Of course, it's the man's hoodie, so you can't really, you know, go up a size because man's hoodie come in true size. So this is a medium, and it fits like a medium. It's just, I look like a medium. Let me sit down so y'all can see. Just look at the color. I love the thickness to this. I love the color. I'm a big fan of colors. It's a really good sweater. A hoodie. Comes in a hoodie in the back. Sis. Okay, Zaful. Okay, Zaful. So my next hoodie, I got, everything that I got from Zaful is basically colorful because I'm trying to brighten up myself, you know. We trying to look like a melanin in a rainbow juice box. But yeah, my next hoodie was this right here. This one doesn't feel like the twos that I've tried on. Ça ici, ça c'est what's calling me? Yo, this hoodie got me looking like a Skittle, and I freaking love it. Y'all ever tried a chocolate covered Skittle? This Skittle right here is gonna be delicious. I'm telling you that right now. Listen, this is mine. This hoodie right here, you know that OPP, yeah, you know me. I don't think that's the proper thing to say on my channel. But it got me feeling like naughty by nature. Who says you fine? Oh. Look, the texture to this is very lightweight. Like, compared to how thick the first two hoodies were, this one is very, very, very lightweight. So it's like one of those hoodies where you have to like layer up. And of course, if you just wear like this in a 30 degrees weather, sis, you gonna catch a cold. You're gonna get sick. I'm just gonna say that. So my next hoodie I purchased was this beautiful color John Hancock hoodie. And it's in a medium. I also saw reviews on this, and people that bought this, the guys that bought this hoodie said that it was pretty sweet. And I was like, oh, okay. It looks pretty sweet on the picture, or in the picture, so why not? So I'm going to try this on and we'll be right back. As you guys can tell, everything that I purchased is quite colorful because this melanin right here needs to shine, baby. Eyes need to shine. Yeah. I look like a rainbow right now. This is cute. Oh my gosh, I like this. This is really actually... This is cute. This right here. You want to taste me? Do you? Do you? You don't want to taste me. I feel like a Skittle ball. Taste the rainbow. It's actually cute. I like it. I like how this is really lightweight, and this is actually pretty true fit to color compared to the rest of them. Because the rest of them are kind of like a little bit baggy, you know. That. And this one is actually a medium. This is actually how medium fits me when I buy mediums. And I really like how true to fit this one is. This is it. Zaful, you coming through with these hoodies. Shoot. So I bought three of the same hoodies but different colors. And this one is one, which is a medium. So I don't know if I'm going to try all of them on. Well, there's 3 of them. I should, but I don't like trying on stuff a lot, which is this is a try on haul. But okay, so I'm like anti makeup on my hoodies. Like, I don't like the whole you hug me and I got makeup on my shirt, or I wear something and I got makeup on my clothes. So like when it comes to my hoodies, I don't like to wear a lot of makeup because I will get mad, because I take my precious time when I buy my hoodies. Okay, as y'all can tell, I take my precious time. So this hoodie doesn't really... It doesn't have a front pocket. What kind of hoodie is you? But yeah, this is how this one looks. I really like this. This is really nice. It brings out that nice color skin tone on me. C'est tellement joli, hein? Moi-même, je me vois comme si j'ai un chocolat. Chocolat avec les uniformes de prisonniers. Next one. Okay, sis. This is actually pretty cute. Je me vois comme ci, comme ça. Vous-même vous voyez. On a aucun monde en ande ti moko na yebi ko lata moi na poto. Tu me vois? Moi aussi je me vois. I like this. This is actually a pretty nice hoodie. I'm feeling this. This is nice. It's mad nice. So I'm gonna try this one right here. I know I bought like the same but different colors. I fell in love with the stripe and I like it. So oh, this is like the reverse version of that other one. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Okay. I like this. All of these three were like really off truth to size, and they hot, and they're very thick. Well, they're not as thick as my first two, but these got some type of layers on them, so I can definitely, you know, be warm and just chill. And I have 2 more hoodies left, and I got the yellow. Yellow be making me look good. Yellow on a chocolate cover, girl. Sis, my eyelashes coming on. Sis, we gonna be back. Oh, yellow in my house saying like I'm hello. Yellow looking like a snack. I said, what's up now? It's yellow looking like the sun. It's shawty low. Okay, this is cute. This makes me look like a highlighter. I like that. This is nice. Oh, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this right here. I'm feeling, y'all see how beautiful it's making my skin tone look? Ooh, I'm looking at myself instead of y'all. That's how good I look. Okay, so the thickness to the sweater is just like the first one. I am gonna say, when you do look at these sweaters on the website, some of them don't look as thick. The pictures make the sweaters look thick, but from what I've observed, the ones that are like hoodie, I don't even know how to tell you, but I feel like this is like super hot and thick. Yeah, so the thickness of the sweaters do make a difference on the quality. So I know that the thicker ones will last me a lot longer than the non-thicker ones. So I'm just gonna say that right now. And last but not least, my friends are just too much. Last but not least, I'm gonna try on this beautiful colorful sweater. This is in a size medium as well. It's true to size, and yeah, it's very lightweight. So it's just like the other 3s that I've tried on, or 4. They're very lightweight, and I'm gonna be right back. I look like a checkers board. A beautiful snack. A beautiful checker snack. Y'all. Ooh, and it has pockets. This is cute. This is cute. Put me on the Checkers commercial. Oh my god, this is cute. I look chocolatey. I love the texture to this. This is very really lightweight. I feel like I can wear this like in the summer and I won't get as hot. So yes, I wear hoodies in the summer, and that's just how I am. And I could definitely see myself dressing this up and down. And I definitely love the website. So let me sit down and we're going to talk about this. So from what I observed from just by trying, well, wait, what? My point of view on this website is by far the best website I've tried out when it comes to like hoodies. They're very affordable. Some hoodies was like around $23, and most of the hoodies were around like $10 or $20. That's the highest that I've paid for hoodies. So for the guy hoodies, Zaful is by far the website that I see myself shopping for hoodies. Okay, I would say give them a try. Zaful will be seeing me purchase a lot of hoodies from them. I'm going to tell you that right now. I will give it a 5-star because from the hoodies that I've tried out, I like them, and I see myself, fashion is about to be nothing but a hobby for me. You feel me? Mais il faut seulement faire attention quand tu achètes des tricots dans cette site, parce que Il y en a des autres tricots, c'est pas vraiment is that vraiment lourd vraiment pour là dans ma lady. But yeah, j'essaie de dire ça en français. Vous-même vous savez que j'ai des problèmes avec le français, mais vous me comprenez, hein? Vous me comprenez, pas de problème. You got my approval, Zaful. You got my approval. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to my page and you like this review, like the thumbs up button and also subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. Thank you guys so much. Merci pour regarder. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.